One way to install the Treeplan Addin is to first open an Excel worksheet, then double-click the Treeplan file. On the dialog box that appears, click Enable Macros. You will then see a Treeplan tab up here. Click it, then click Treeplan command here. You will see this Treeplan dialog box, and when you click New Tree here, you might see a new tree displayed. Or you might get this error message here that Excel 4.0 macros have been disabled. If you get the error message, one way to fix that issue is to go to File, then click Options. Next, click Trust Center. Then Trust Center Settings. Click Macro Settings. Then check this box to enable 4.0 macros when VBA macros are enabled. Click OK. And click OK again. When I go back and click Treeplan and then New Tree, you'll notice I'm still getting the same error message. So what I need to do is to close Excel and relaunch it. Open a new worksheet. Now again, double-click the Treeplan Addin file. Enable Macros. Click the Treeplan tab. Click the Treeplan command. And when you click New Tree here, you should see a new tree displayed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.